moving your organization from Lotus Notes to Exchange Server. Here's how to do it completely: emails, contacts and calendars, without data loss. SysTools Lotus Notes to Exchange Migrator moves emails, contacts, calendars, and metadata securely. It performs a direct server-to-server migration from HCL Lotus Domino to on-premises Exchange Server. It supports HCL Notes 10 and above, and Exchange Server SHA 2019, 2016, 2013, and 2010. Apply date and category filters to migrate only the data your business actually needs. Set priority for key users, and run concurrent migration for bulk mailbox transfers. Retry failed items, run Delta migration, and track everything on the live dashboard. Let's walk through it. In the Setup tab, pick Lotus Notes as your source and Exchange as your destination. Select the workload you want to move: emails, contacts, and calendars. Enable a date filter and set the range if you only need data from a specific period. Open the Source tab and enter your Lotus Notes admin email, client password, and Domino server IP. Validate, and the tool confirms read access to users, email, contacts, and calendars. On the Destination tab, choose your Exchange version and enter the admin, Active Directory, and Exchange server details. Move to the Users tab, where you can fetch users from the source or import them with a template. Fetch users loads every mailbox directly from your source account. Select the users you want to migrate, and star your highest priority accounts. Map each Lotus Notes user to their destination Exchange mailbox. Validate to confirm source and destination permissions for every item type. When everything checks out, click Start Migration to begin. The migration runs live, and you can stop it at any time. Watch the email, contact, and calendar counts update as each mailbox transfers. Once complete, every user shows a green tick with full item counts. Download a migration summary, or a detailed report, for your records. And if you need to, rerun failed items, a full migration, or a Delta migration. Like, share, and subscribe. Then download the tool, and visit systoolsgroup.com today. Thanks for watching.